Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, mag-unbox tayo ng Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. So this is the product from Xiaomi that lets an ordinary TV be a smart TV with an affordable price. So let's open. So kung ano nyo, meron siyang 4K. This is the 4K, much more pricey siya. So good thing na meron ng ganitong kamura na worth 1,500. So the box includes a installation manual, of course. Kaya lang siya makapal because of the different language. This is the warranty. Syempre, with a lot of language in it. And especially the Mi TV Stick, important product information. So this is a cable that includes the USB cable that will be put in the HDMI or Mi TV Stick for the power. And this is this is adapter. HDMI extension. So good thing meron siyang extension. HDMI. So this is the highlight, the Mi TV Stick in HDMI. So slick, diba? Para siyang USB lang. So dito natin ilalagay yung power na. I should say USB port. Having a hard time because of the plastic. We don't want to remove the plastic for the scratch issue. So I got an adapter ready. Let's go. So let's power it on, or shall we? Let's set this aside. And we will set up the TV. This is a Sony TV, just an ordinary TV, LED. By the way, guys, this is the remote control. Left, right, up, down. All the Netflix. The volume up and down. So comfy. So guys, we'll be putting these down. Oh, it's me. Hi. Well, na-set up na namin to, and I think hindi na kailangan ng pero madali lang siyang i-start up. So yan, as soon as you switch it on, the power on, there you will see a lot of colors that lets you know that it's loading. Android. Well, not just a smart TV, but an Android TV. So easy, di ba? Madali lang siyang mag-open ng mga apps. YouTube, Netflix, or you can download from Google Play Store, games, and any other apps. Well, the product includes 8GB memory storage. So, we'll be launching a Netflix. So, sa set up lang naman kayo dyan ng inyong Netflix account. Oops, sorry. May mga napipindot akong accidentally. Well, kasi nakatingin ako sa monitor and not the remote, so I probably press other button. So this is the game, sample game. My daughter is playing it. This is the process Android. Okay, no lag at all. Oops. So this is an example of casting. So sa casting, mami-mirror natin yung ating cellphones, tablet, iPod, gamit ang Xiaomi Mi TV stick sa ating TV. So this is good thing about Xiaomi Mi TV stick. Meron siyang built-in cast. Diba? By the way, this is the Young Living Vlogs from Cuckoo Vlogs, and I've been watching it for like 1 to 5 times a day. This is an interesting channel, and this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and keep safe.